Hello dear students, welcome to Gate Academy. In this video, I will tell you important concept of filter. So this is LTI system, which is nothing but low pass filter. In time domain, we can write h of t equal to k sine omega ct by t. Already we have seen. Okay, it's a Fourier transform will be like this. It's a Fourier transform rectangle pulse from minus omega c to plus omega c with amplitude k. So this is nothing but the low pass filter. Why it is known as low pass filter? Because it passes only low frequencies from 0 to omega c, 0 to omega c only. And if frequency greater than omega c, then it will be rejected by this low pass filter. So sometimes it can be a h of t equal to k sine omega ct by pi t, or they can give this graphical representation spectrum, then or they can give like mathematical expression in frequency domain like this also. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 cases are there. Okay, now see what is the concept. If input is sinusoidal a sine omega t, it can be sine, it can be cos, it can be single frequency component input, or it can be multiple frequencies also, guys. Okay, like omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, sine, cos. Okay, so what is the output? So output, if this frequency input frequency omega I less than omega c, that means here if input frequency of the signal is less than omega c, then it will be passed through this low pass filter, we can say, and the output y of t will be in this case a. At input frequency magnitude is k, so at input frequency you have to multiply this magnitude k. Don't forget to multiply magnitude k at input frequency with a. Okay, into same sinusoid only, sine omega I t. So this is the case where input frequency less than cutoff frequency. Omega c is nothing but what? Upper cutoff frequency. And if input frequency greater than the cutoff frequency, then output will be 0, because at input frequency magnitude of this filter h of omega is 0. So that's why 0 multiply with a complete y of t equal to 0, guys. Okay, so we can say this frequency is rejected by this low pass filter, and this is this omega I frequency passed by this low pass filter, guys. Okay, so this is very much important concept of the low pass filter. Again I am saying it can be single input, at input side it can be a single frequency component, or it can be multiple frequencies also. Okay, so this is the low pass filter, this is the time domain expression, this is the expression in frequency domain, and this is the spectrum of the low pass filter, magnitude spectrum of the low pass filter. Okay, so this is very much important concept that you have to remember. Okay.